Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to install a Worksport SC3 soft trifold tonneau cover. Worksport has provided me with the cover for the installation, and I'll have an affiliated link in the video description, plus a coupon code that can be combined with other offers. Adding a tonneau cover to your truck is a great way to improve it visually, provides a safe and dry spot for your belongings, and help keeps your bed clean. For this I'm using a 2013 Chevy Silverado as an example. Unboxing. All the hardware needed for the installation is included in the box. Only minimal tools are needed to mount the cover. We have the installation instructions, seal for the bulkhead, and some mounting hardware. Then we have another package with additional instructions and extra mounting hardware. Start by removing the cardboard on the hold-down clamps. With sprayed-on box liners, I left the seal off the bulkhead. This can always be installed after, but the seal is intended to keep out water and wind. However, this cover does have its own rubber seal as well. After a test fit, it was determined that the clamps need their position adjusted. These have 3 different positions on each side. It's a good idea to keep them the same, simply using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw and then pop out the nut on the opposite side. Pull out the hold-down clamp rod. Install the hold-down clamp rod in the new position. Next, install the nut on the other side along with the screw and tighten. Do the same for the opposite side. Remove the screw and nut. Pull out the threaded rod and then reinstall it into the new position. Install that nut with the screw and tighten. Install the supplied hardware on the threaded rod. First is the clip for the box edge, a spacer, and finally the threaded knob. This is the same for both sides. Install the tonneau cover into position and close up the hold-down clamp space so it's close but still has just enough room to move the cover around if the position needs to be adjusted. Unclip the hold-down straps and open up the cover. Now check the position and adjust if needed. Make sure it's square with the box and it's even on both sides. Fold the cover back up and tighten those front clamps. Unfold the cover, remove those protective cardboard pieces on the clamps. As you can see, the handle works on a cam style action where it clamps under the edge of the box to hold it into place in the rear. The threaded rod provides a large adjustment based on the thickness of your bed sides. Finally, close up the cover and install the clamps. These are extremely easy to operate. Their adjustment is done by simply rotating the locking handle up or down on the threaded rod. Once you're satisfied with the position, lock the handle into place and make sure it's tight. There should be no light between the gasket of the tonneau cover and the top of the bed. Do the same for the opposite side. Tighten that latch and then clip it into place. Now for a test to ensure everything is functioning as it should. The cover can be easily opened up and latched into place in under a minute. This is a high quality cover that is designed in the USA, has a lifetime warranty, is lightweight, and made of durable materials to ensure a long life. Then it can be unlatched and closed up in under a minute. I'm extremely happy with the products from Worksport after having experience with a couple different types of their covers. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.